Hello viewers, I am Deepthi. Today I am going to discuss prestigious Karnataka ICSE School Association Preparatory Examination for History Civics Geography Paper 1, that is History and Civics. Today I am going to solve part 1 only. Question 1 comprises of 16 MCQ. First part is a money bill can be detained by the Rajya Sabha for a maximum period of option A 14 days, B 45 days, C 3 months and D 15 days, and the correct option is A, which is 14 days. 2. Which of the following is a special power of Rajya Sabha over the Lok Sabha? A. Rajya Sabha can only discuss the budget. B. Motion of no confidence against the government can only be introduced and passed in Rajya Sabha. C. Rajya Sabha can authorize the parliament to create new All India services. D. Money bill can be introduced only in the Rajya Sabha. And the correct option is C. Rajya Sabha can authorize the parliament to create new All India services. Part number 3. Who is empowered to promulgate an ordinance when the parliament is not in session? A option the president, B the vice president, C the prime minister and D the attorney general of India. And the correct option is A, the president. Fourth part. The president appoints the council of ministers on the advice of dash. A, the speaker, B, the vice president, C, the prime minister and D, the chief justice of India. And the correct option is C, the prime minister. Part number 5. The Supreme Court judge retires at the age of A, 65, B, 62, C, 67 and D, 70. And the correct option is A, 65. Part number 6. Under which jurisdiction does the Supreme Court hear cases in the first instance? A option, the original jurisdiction, B, appellate jurisdiction, C, advisory jurisdiction and D, revisory jurisdiction. And the correct option is A, the original jurisdiction. Seventh part. Who was the president of the Lahore session of the Indian National Congress? A. Mahatma Gandhi, B. Pandit Motilal Nehru, C. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru and D. Vallabhbhai Patel. And the correct option is C. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Eighth part. Which of the following is not a cause for launching the non-cooperation movement? A. Rowlatt Act, B. Japanese threat, C. Jallianwala Bagh tragedy and D. Khilafat movement. And the correct option is B. Japanese threat. Ninth part. The Triple Alliance was signed between A. Russia, Austria-Hungary and Italy, B. France, Austria-Hungary and Germany, C. Germany, Austria-Hungary and Italy and D. England, Austria-Hungary and Germany. And the correct option is C. Germany, Austria-Hungary and Italy. 10th part. The non-permanent members of the Security Council are elected by the members of A. General Assembly, B. International Court of Justice, C. Trusteeship Council and D. the Secretariat. And the correct option is A. General Assembly. 11th part. Which of the following is an objective of the Muslim League? A option, to train and organize public opinion in the country. B. To promote friendly relations between nationalists and political workers from different parts of the country. C. Promotion of friendly relations between Hindus and Muslims. D. To promote hostility between the Muslims of India and other communities. And the correct option is D. To prevent hostility between the Muslims of India and other communities. Part number 12. Bengal was partitioned in the year. A option 1905, B 1805, C 1885 and D 1884. And the correct option is A 1905. 13th. Replace the underlined word to correct the statement. Unity, faith and sacrifice was the motto of. Underlined word is forward block. A option, Indian National Congress, B. Indian National Army, C. East India Association and D. Hindu Mahasabha. And the correct option is B. Indian National Army. Their motto was Unity, Faith and Sacrifice. 14th part. Who announced that the successors of Bahadur Shah Zafar not be permitted to use the Red Fort as their palace? A option, Lord Curzon, B. Lord Wellesley, C. Lord Canning and D. Lord Dalhousie. And the correct option is D. Lord Dalhousie. 15th part. Who is known as the father of assertive nationalism? A. Bipin Chandra Pal, B. Surendranath Banerjee, C. Bal Gangadhar Tilak, and D. Lala Lajpat Rai. And the correct option is C. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. 16th part, Dadabhai Naoroji presented which famous theory in his book Poverty and Un-British Rule in India? A option is deficient theory, B drain theory, C deprivation theory, and D determinant theory. And the correct option is B drain theory. With this, our MCQs are over. You have seen that many of the MCQs which I have covered in my videos have featured in this paper also. Coming to question number 2, first part, an adult Indian citizen holding an office of profit under the state government wishes to control the election of Lok Sabha. Is he or she eligible? Give a reason to justify your answer. So, we will write no, he or she is not eligible. Now, reason is a person should not hold any office of profit under the government. This is the reason. 2 marker questions need only 1 line for explanation and 1 line for your short answer. Second part, if the President of India considers that a question of law may be referred to the Supreme Court, under which jurisdiction will the Supreme Court express its opinion on the matter? Mention any one case over which Supreme Court has appellate jurisdiction. These are the 2 subparts of one question. So, answer of first part, Supreme Court can express its opinion under advisory jurisdiction on the matter. Now, Supreme Court has appellate jurisdiction in civil cases which involves a substantial question of law of general importance, or High Court certifies that the question needs to be decided by Supreme Court. Or you can also give criminal cases and constitutional cases if you want just 2 points. Third question, mention any 2 objectives of non-aligned movement, NAM. First, to oppose all those causes which could lead to war. Second, to oppose the use of force and the use of nuclear weapons. Third, to encourage friendly relations among countries. Any of the 2 objectives you can give in this part. 2 marks means 2 relative points, not similar points. Part number 4. Give any 2 reasons for the rise of Nazism in Germany. First part is obviously humiliating Treaty of Versailles. The terms of the treaty were greatly resented by the Germans and their sentiments were exploited by Hitler. Second, absence of any strong opposition. Nazi Party did not encounter any effective resistance and its popularity achieved great heights. Or you can give economic crisis, growing fear of communism, or anti-Semitic propaganda, etc. We need to give only 2 points. Fifth part is mention any 4 permanent members of Security Council. You know Russia, China, UK, USA and France. These are the 5 permanent members. You need to write 4 only. Part number 6. Mention any 2 repressive colonial policies of Lord Lytton. Lord Lytton introduced the Vernacular Press Act and Indian Arms Act. Second, the maximum age limit for Indian civil service examination was reduced from 21 to 19. Third, he organized a grand Delhi Darbar to proclaim Queen Victoria as the Empress of India, and lakhs of rupees were spent on the event, but nothing was done for the Indians who were in the grip of severe famine at that time. Last part is 7th, give the full form of UNESCO. United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization is the full form of UNESCO. With this, I conclude my today's video on KISA history paper solution. I will cover this second part in my next video. Till then, keep watching, sharing and subscribe to my channel. If you have time, you can watch my other videos on MCQ based on all history chapters.